Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a mint condition 2005 GMC Yukon Denali all-wheel drive with a 6-liter Vortec V8. Air ride suspension that's perfectly working. Brand new Toyo tires all the way around. 89,000 original 4-owner, no accident miles. Thing of beauty. They don't come around like this because you don't see them like this. The mileage does not happen anymore. The vehicles are then now too old to see mileage like this. So it's really, this is a blessing to find such a low mileage, well-maintained GMC Yukon. Comes with halogen headlights, as you can see the lower fog lights at the bottom of the front bumper. Receiver tow, has the upgraded GMC Yukon Denali front grille mesh. So that's a special version for the Denali. This one also comes powered with the 6.0 Vortec V8 engine. Lots of pulling power with this. You can tow a boat, trailer, anything very comfortably with this engine. And you also have the all-wheel drive utility. So that makes it to where it gives you that extra pulling power on and off a boat ramp or towing a trailer up a hill. So special Denali wheels here. They have the nice brushed silver, a little bit of chrome outline, very nice there. And then as you can see, these nice open country Toyo tires. Look at that like new tread, beautiful. And then the Denali logos throughout. This one does come with the Denali kit package, so this was a body kit that they did put on these vehicles from the factory. It gives them a little bit of extra good look over the regular Yukons and Tahoes and Suburbans. As you can see, there's the air ride suspension back there that's recently replaced, so pump, new air shocks, everything. So all new system back there, so you won't have any worries about the air system not working for the rear suspension. Nice clean dash, no real chipping there on the top, and then we have our nice faux gray black wood grain. Traction control system, CD player, tape player, dual climate controls, all properly working. Then we have storage utility, charging ports, 6-disc CD changer, again more charging ports, ashtray, dual cup holders, keyless entry, and another charging port in the center console. As you can see, with the full leather interior, that comes with leather wrap steering wheel, as well as the leather wrap center console and full leather two-tone interior. So this darker gray versus the lighter gray there throughout the whole truck's interior. ABC side pillar airbags, full 8-way power seats, power windows, locks, and mirrors, and power folding mirrors, as well as heated with turn signals in the side view mirrors. Bose sound system throughout. Has the chrome package on the outer door handles. Inner door handles come with a nice brushed chrome, very nice look. Dual fold down cup holders, dual rear heated seats, as well as the ability to control auxiliary air conditioning and stereo. We have the third row seat. All have fold down armrests. The seats do fold forward, and it collapses the headrests so they can fold comfortably into the floor. So you can fold them down like that, or it has this little lever here that you can pull forward and you can move the seat to where passengers can access the rear third row. Comes with the nice running boards, but look at that body kit, how that flows nicely with this whole vehicle. You know, it's not too much. This one comes equipped with rain guards as well as a roof rack, OnStar system, antennas up front, and it has the towing package as well as the spare tire underneath. Tools and jack are located in here, as well as our subwoofer, and then another charging port for the rear. So as you can see, you have a lot of space with this vehicle. So if you have a lot of kids, or you have a lot of luggage, or a lot of things to stow, definitely look into the Yukon, because this is one of the most reliable, larger SUVs you can get. You know, you'll get at least 300 400,000 miles out of this engine. I mean, with proper oil changes, proper maintenance, the sky's the limit for the Yukon, the Tahoe, the Suburban. I mean, all of them are just brilliant vehicles. Can tow, can handle anything you throw at it, and the reliability's there. They have their common quirks, but nothing to where I would say steer clear of it. I love these vehicles, love these Chevrolets. Great product. Fires right up. We have a tire warning, but that is it. 89,000 original miles. All the gauges are properly working. Great oil pressure, great battery voltage. And you also have a transmission temperature gauge on the left, and then our oil pressure, fuel, coolant, and battery voltage on the right. All in our leather wrapped steering wheel. We have our buttons for infotainment. So this measures our trip, our tire pressures, timer, engine hours, and then we have down to empty, how much fuel economy, how much oil life, all that good stuff. Our combination switches include cruise control on the end and then interval front wipers. Our rear wiper switch is located here, and our fog light switch here, and then our front headlight switch is here, and then this also has the automatic headlights, and then as you shift into drive has the daytime running lights. So over here on the driver's side console we have our memory seats, our dual heated seats for top and bottom, and then we also have our motorized pedals, and those are properly working. AC's ice cold right at the start. Put it on recirc for even better cooling. So the speakers sound really crisp and clean. Really good volume coming out of there. And then up top we have our compass and temperature gauge as well as our OnStar and our auto dimming rear view mirror. And then top side we have our dual map lights, our home link to connect to our garage door opener. And then we have our rear AC controls. And then we have dual vanity mirrors with working lights. So everything is properly working. The rear AC works excellent. And let me tell you folks, this is it right here. You don't see that mileage that often, so don't let this one slip away. If you're looking for something for actually a really great price, I mean, over new, these things are, you know, 40, 50 grand. For a quarter of that price, come down and check this beautiful Denali out. 2005 Yukon Denali, all-wheel drive, 6.0, 4 owners, no accidents, 89,000 original miles. You can find this beautiful Denali on our website exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.